Hi, I'm Dr. Sean Jones, Director at Chattanooga Wellness Centers in Cleveland and Chattanooga, Tennessee, and I'm back again with you with my twin brother, Dr. Marcus Jones, who was practicing with me. And today we're going to talk about such a common problem that chiropractors deal with, which is low back pain. Now, my brother has had severe low back pain. Started with a horrible car accident that probably should have killed him, and he's lucky to live through it. But it caused ruptured disc and some terrible tearing of soft tissues, and he has suffered with low back pain and leg pain and pain through the buttocks all the way down to the feet sometimes ever since, and that's been for the last 30 years. And of course, as you get older, it doesn't get better, it gets worse if you don't do some kind of a treatment. So it led me to investigating, and I investigated regenerative cell therapy, and it is amazing. This company we're working with, that's available at Chattanooga Wellness Centers now, has done such a tremendous job. I want Mark to tell you all about his low back pain and what it was like, and then the changes he's seen in it. I'll get out of your way.
Yeah, the low back pain became such a part of my life that after that car accident, 3 ruptured discs, eventually they had to lift me off a patient. I couldn't stand up anymore, and I was out of practice for a few years. And they talked about fusing my lower back, but I was 27 years old and 28 years old, and I was like, I don't want to do something like that, drastic, that young. And chiropractic care helped me tremendously. But as I've aged, the low back pain was constant. And then it wasn't just constant, it got constant moderate pain. Then it got constant severe pain, where I couldn't hardly function. And between my knees and my low back, I couldn't get up out of a chair. I was walking around like Groucho Marx. I couldn't stand up straight. Stretching, like my brother has said before, it became part of my life. I'd spend at least 2 hours a day, minimum, stretching just to be able to function. So I'd spend about 4 hours a day stretching and trying to get myself so I could function and miss half my day, which is why I haven't been practicing. Now, I will get low back pain, but it's just like an ache. I'll get now and then. I stretch a little, I'm fine. I mean, I don't even remember my low back pain now. And that's just, it's a freaking miracle to get rid of the low back pain like this when it was just inhibiting every part of your life. You couldn't even, I mean, you didn't want to do anything. You certainly didn't want to be intimate or anything. Your back's killing you. And now, it does great. I mean, it's probably one of my least problems now from what I used to have, and it's just unbelievable. The regenerative cell therapy has just been fantastic, and I didn't even get the injection directly in my back. I got injected in other areas of my body, and it traveled to where my problem was, and it's doing great.
Isn't that the fascinating part? Because I was there for his treatment, and to watch it just move through the body right where the body needs it. It's just amazing. It goes where the body's inflamed, where the most pain is. If you've been suffering from low back pain, and chiropractic care is wonderful. We're both chiropractors, and we've been chiropractors for 36 years. But sometimes that's not enough. Sometimes you have to actually try to rebuild the tissues, and that's what we've been working with the folks with the regenerative cell therapy, and we are so excited about it. And watching Mark change like this. If you're having problems, contact Chattanooga Wellness Centers. Call 423-790-5000. That's 423-790-5000. And if we're not there, leave a message. It'll send an email right to me. We will get back to you and get you in touch with the people that can change your life out there, changing my brother's life here. It's amazing. I love seeing people get well. That's what we've dedicated our lives to, and I'm really so thankful that my brother's not suffering like he was.
It's so worth it.